What's up, guys? Welcome to the Freedom Flip System. My name is Yusef, but around here, most people just call me Seth. And if you've ever looked at real estate investing and thought, I'd love to do that, but I don't have the time, I don't have the money, I don't have the experience, then this course is for you. Now, over the next few lessons, I'm going to show you how to flip your first property safely, confidently, and profitably, even if you've never done a deal before. And here's the best part. You only need to do one smart flip a year to completely change your financial future. You see, I wasn't born into this game. Back in 2004, I bought 6 houses back to back the wrong way. Adjustable rate loans, hidden repairs, bad advice, all of it. I learned the hard way that hustle without understanding is not freedom. But I refused to give up on my dream of building something solid for my daughter and myself at the time. And, that journey, all the mistakes, all the lessons, and the comebacks led to what you're watching right now, a proven, simplified framework called the Freedom Flip System. My goal here is simple: to help everyday people like you find, fund, fix, and flip one property a year the right way. Not to build a massive real estate empire or a team of cold callers, but to create steady profits, peace of mind, and real freedom. Inside this program, you'll learn the 4F framework: find, fund, fix, and flip. Really simple. And how each one connects to create predictable success. You'll also learn the 4 R's of freedom: reframe, rebuild, reinvest, and reclaim. The mindset that makes this more than just another investing course. Here's how to get the most out of this system in 3 steps. Number 1, watch each module in order. Don't skip ahead. Each step builds on the last one. Number 2, take notes and write down at least one takeaway per lesson. And number 3, apply what you've learned. Even if it's small, the fastest progress comes from imperfect action. And remember, your goal isn't to flip 10 houses this year. It's to master one deal, start to finish, and learn the process that can fund your life forever. Now, by the end of this course, you'll understand exactly how to spot opportunity where others only see problems, how to fund deals without fear, and how to turn one flip per year into the financial breathing room you've been waiting for. So take a deep breath, lock in, and let's get started. Because the journey to your freedom, one flip at a time, starts right now. Welcome aboard.